Whether I was a prosecutor, whether I was defending clients, or whether I was representing a case in front of the U.S. Supreme Court, it was always an element of the humbleness of what it is to be a lawyer, to represent a client, not from a position of power, but from a position of justice, to represent them in a cohesive way. My name is Michael Ruggio. I'm a partner at Taylor English, and my practice is healthcare, pharmaceutical, and white collar. I'm a veteran of many years of practicing across the board. Started really with the Department of Justice in the 1990s, and really brought the first cases of the False Claims Act in the mid-90s to the largest healthcare providers in the country. And since then, I've really been representing hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, medical device companies, nursing homes, and every manner of provider in the healthcare arena. My wife says I have very unusual interests. I'm actually a paleontologist, and I dig dinosaurs in Montana and Wyoming on the side. I do it every year. I go out there and I've actually been very successful. Actually, one of my finds, which was a femur from a apatosaurus, which is 7.5 feet long, is now in the Royal Tyrrell Museum with my name on it up in Canada. My traditional clients have been hospitals, large pharmaceutical companies, large nursing homes, large medical device groups, large durable medical equipment groups. But I also reach down to big physician practices. They're also integrating all of this transformation technology in their services. So I represent that whole spectrum across the board. And I think that's going to be the continual growth of what I represent, which is the larger healthcare providers across the board. I was brought in as a professor of law at the University of Pittsburgh Law School. They want to bring blockchain into this curriculum of law schools for the first time. Blockchain is a transformational technology which really allows healthcare providers to move to the next gen of providing services in a highly technically advanced way. But with that, there's also regulatory compliance and potentially litigation issues across the board. Taylor English is perfectly poised to integrate the blockchain in its systems going forward. And if that's true, it's going to be ahead of every other law firm in the country.